So, hello, good morning and welcome to Not Just About Ducks with me, Angela. It's a lovely sunny day for the moment. So I'm using my phone at the minute because my GoPro, my camera is up, uploading all the videos that I've done onto the computer so that we can do so I can't bring it down just yet. But on that note, let's go and see the ducks. Oh, they're quacking. They're very quacking. I don't know whether to take them for a walk today. We haven't been for a walk in ages. But we'll see. It's a bit slicky in here. I need to clean. Let's go see the ducks. Good morning, ducks! Good job, Josephine. 3 eggs in there. And there's 4 girls. Good morning, ducks. Come, toes. Come on. Woo! Are we all out? So, we have some eggs. So, oh, I know. All right, I'm coming. All right, Billie Jean. Oh, gosh, when ducks nag. No eggs there. But it's okay. Oops. Oh, you are recording. And I think 3 in there. I don't think there's any more. Right. All right, then come in. I gotta sort the ducks' water out. They're paddling pools. When you're just collecting your eggs and you feel a crunch underfoot, it's not the best thing, is it really? It wasn't an egg, thank goodness. So let's sort this duck's water out. Josephine, by the way, is just about walking now, so huzzah for Josephine. So, hello, good morning and welcome to Not Just About Ducks with me, Angela. I'm really very chuffed with myself. So I've shown you how much I've done of the cage, and I thought that I would try to make some panels now to insert the, to put the net on, to then insert them into the frames. So I've done one. So this is the one I've just made, and I'm really chuffed with myself. I didn't expect it to fit, but it does. Fits like a glove. So what I need to do now is to put the net on and staple it in. So yes, so I hadn't made a frame before, well, not really, from my own thoughts as apart from a blueprint or instructions. So I thought, well, this panel has to be 9 inches wide and 43.5 inches long. So I knew I wanted the long bits under the short bits. Yes. So what I did was I cut the two 9 inches, and then I measured, because I needed it 43 inches, 43.5 inch long. So I measured 43.5 inches long minus the 3 inches that the batons at the top and the bottom are. So I actually did it. I've never done it before. I don't know if I'm doing it the correct way. It is what it is. It's all about learning, not just about ducks. So now I'm going to put the net on this. First I've got to decide what net to put on it. I've got two different colours. So I've got that really bright green and that lesser green. So I think I'll go with the lesser green. So I'll switch you off for the moment, and then we'll see how I get on with the netting. So I'm really chuffed with the way this first ever frame I've made has turned out. So what I have to do now is to knock with a tack hammer, just checking. So that's all nice and tight-ish. And you know, I'm only a novice, and I know I had a carpentry thing when I was 15 or something. You know, I took my exams. Just because I took my exams doesn't mean I'm a professional. I'm not. I'm just an old fart who wants to have a go. Yes. So now we have to take it up there and see if we can insert it, which I think it will go in, but whether to take off the excess net before or after. I don't know. So anyway, that's one ready to go. I do want it to be a tidy job, not a shabby, you know, so maybe I'll just do a little bit of trimming. Unfortunately, my son borrowed my Stanley again. So all I've got to use is this rather blunt, rather rusty blade. Remember to bin your rubbish. as soon as you have summer. Keep your workplace as clean as you and tidy as you can. So that's one done. Thereabouts. So it's raining, as is the norm. Well, not the norm, but lately, the last few days it's been raining on and off. So I don't want to take you outside because of the rain. Yay! Yay! It fits! Ah! And it looks quite good. So I'll crack on with the next one, or quack on with the next one, and let's see how I get on with this one. Let's check you can see. Right. Okie dokes. think I've overstretched the net, but the reason I've done them this way is that if the nets get damaged, they're easy to unscrew from the frame itself and change the net and then put it back. This is scaffolding netting, debris netting. So I think I paid about £70 for 2 rolls. So it's about 100 metres. Between the 2 rolls, so but that is enough to do that. But also, if I was to get the what they say, the purpose-made netting, instead of about £70, you're talking about £500. So we'll try and see how we go with this. It will provide some protection, and any protection is better than no protection. If the ducks do spend the winter in there as opposed to the polytunnel when they get the avian flu, then I will probably, oh no, there's no probablys about it, I'll have to put some hardware cloth that's half-inch squared hardware cloth to keep any pests, you know, rats or frogs, mink, things like this, because if they can find a way in, they will get in and they will kill your birds. Anyway, it's time for me to go and put this in. I missed a bit. I'm actually roasting one of my chickens today, one of my Cornish frost or cob birds. That's what we're having for dinner today, my sons and myself. So I'll say goodbye for now. Please like and subscribe to my video channel. Thanks very much for watching. This is Angela from Not Just About Ducks with the huge, massive cage build. I think I've bit off more than I can chew, but it might take me a while. But a little bit every day, slow and steady wins the race, they say, don't they? So anyway, thanks very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. This is Angela from Not Just About Ducks saying take care, be safe, and as always, God bless from me, the ducks and the tooks. Oh, and the goslings. Bye. Goslings' first walk in the lane. So that one there, I think that's Maurice. And then the second biggest one there is Waldo. And then I've got a Crookshanks. Hey geese! Come back! And then there is Amelia. And oh golly gosh, I've forgotten. Amelia, Emily, and oh gosh, what's the other one? They're up there without me in any case. There's the tooks, they're out for a walk as well, but I've got to be careful with the tooks because they kind of dumb. Come on, Blue. Come on, Bluebell, out of there. No. Go on. Out. Good job. And they're up there as well. So we've got one short. Come on. Oh, Maurice, come on. Hello, what are you doing? Oh, there they are. There they are indeed. Fun and games. Right, that's it. I'm going.